Hello there, my name is Dr. Pancha Nikaeen and I'm the owner of Golden Hilton Beauty Center. This is my first time attending one of Dory's seminars. It's the Leap Ahead seminar. You cannot imagine how amazing this seminar has been. I learned so much from Dory and her staff as well. What she has done, I have not seen anywhere else. I looked for a few months to find the right place for me and for my business. And Dory would come up on internet all the time, so it's a no-brainer that I had to get the membership. When I checked out online what's included in the membership, I was blown away because you literally don't need anything else but the membership. The membership kind of gives you all the manuals, all the tools to start a business, to manage the business, how to manage the budget, the finance, the team, literally everything you need to start a business. Or even if you are already in business, it's gonna help you a lot. We opened about a year ago, and we know we're not perfect, but we want to be perfect. And if you do want to be perfect, this is the place to be. She has so many great programs. I wouldn't miss it at all. You cannot get this education anywhere else. Thank you.